Hey guys, so this is how to add a background in CapCut. So go ahead and open CapCut and then click on New Project. Now I want you to go ahead and click on the background that you want to add. So I'm just going to add this plant's background to my video, and then just click on the Add button at the bottom right. So now you only have this background in your project. Let me go ahead and just delete this CapCut outro. And then what you're gonna need to do is just click on Overlay, then click on Add Overlay. And then you're gonna go to the videos and you're gonna select the video that you want to add. So I have this video of Richard Moss right here. So I'll just add that. So I selected the video and I will click on the Add button at the bottom right. And then I just need to adjust the video. So adjust the measurements. Then make sure that the video is selected. And what you're going to need to do is just in the options at the bottom, click on Remove Background. Just look for Remove Background, and there it is. And just click on it. And then click on Auto Removal. Then all you need to do is just click on this check icon on the right. And there you have it. You can just drag this over here to cover the entire video. And yeah, this is how easy it is. This is how to add a background on CapCut.